In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Shopify store URL. This is the unique web address for your store, and it's really useful to know when you're setting up apps, sharing your store with others, or troubleshooting issues with support. I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along in real time. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage everything about your store, from products and orders to settings and apps. If you're not already on this page, you can get there by going to your Shopify Admin link and signing in with your account credentials. From your dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. The Settings area is where Shopify keeps all the foundational options for your store, so it's where we'll find the information we need. After you click Settings, you'll be taken to a page with several sections, such as Store Details, Plan, Billing, and so on. Focus on the section labeled Store Details. This is where Shopify stores key information about your business and your store identity. Within the Store Details section, look at the very first row. On the right-hand side of that row, you'll see a small pen or pencil icon, which represents the Edit option. Click on that pen icon to open the detailed view of your store information. Once this panel opens, you'll see your main store details. This typically includes your store name, as well as contact information like email and phone number. Here, you can also see your primary store domain, and in many cases, your original Shopify store URL, usually something like your store name, followed by .myshopify.com. That myshopify.com address is your core store URL, and it's the one many apps and integrations ask for. Take a moment to read through this section so you're familiar with what's there. If you ever need to copy your store URL, this is a reliable place to find it. Just highlight the address and copy it, making sure not to share it publicly along with any sensitive account details. And that's all you need to do. By going through your Shopify dashboard, opening settings, and editing your store details, you can quickly see and confirm your Shopify